Hi everyone. Do you know the difference between these two? IT apostrophe yes, it's, and again, it's ITS. Are you using them correctly? Come on, let's fix it. Here's the difference. IT apostrophe yes, this word, okay, is a contraction for it is or it has. Example, it's raining today. That means it is raining. Understood, right? Okay. Now the second word, IT, yes, continuous. Okay. It shows possession. Possession. Example: the dog wagged its tail. Whose tail? Its tail. The tail belongs to the dog. Okay. So the quick tip is, if you can replace it with it is or it has, use it apostrophe s. Otherwise, use ITS. Okay? Now test yourself. Fill in the blank. This question, come on. The cat loves new toy. The cat loves dash new toy. Comment your answer below. See you with another video. Bye.